If you want to unlink your Klarna account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Step 1. Open the Klarna app. Launch the Klarna app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your Klarna account to access your settings. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon or the settings gear, usually located in the top corner of the app. This will take you to your account management options. Step 3. Find linked accounts. Look for an option labeled Linked Accounts or Connections. This section will show you all the accounts that are currently linked to your Klarna account, including Facebook. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Select the Facebook option from the list of linked accounts. You should see an option to unlink or disconnect the account. Tap on this option and confirm your choice when prompted. Step 5. Verify unlinking. After unlinking, it is a good idea to double-check that your Facebook account is no longer connected. You can do this by revisiting the linked accounts section to ensure Facebook no longer appears in the list. By following these steps, you can successfully unlink your Klarna account from Facebook. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Klarna's customer support for further assistance.